Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while, but I'm still around, and today's video is featuring Mr. Jones, or Jonesy, and his little daughter Ariana. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Shabna Show. I'm back again at Greenwich Park. He's back at Scribble. We carried a video highlighting their dilapidated house, and the worship center of Queens and others pitched in to help them to repair it. We're going to show you the great job they did in making the house a little bit more comfortable. But first, I'll take you back on my trip to New York, where I met some Guyanese, and I'll also show you some clips from my visit to the Brooklyn Bridge and the Brown Zoo. Keep watching, you don't want to miss this video. We're up in the bazaar right now. I just caught up with some fans here and up the bazaar on Liberty. And what's your name?
My name is Shelly.
Shelly, and this is? Bagwanden, okay. Okay, they're fans of the Shabna Show.
Yes.
Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Caught up with our old friend from Brilliant. Yes, Debbie also watched the show.
That's
You did?
right.
Okay, thank you.
My
Yes.
sister in Florida too.
Oh, really? That's good to know.
She go, I know this girl. I say, yes, that's Shabna. She said, yeah.
Okay,
She just
good.
didn't remember your name.
Hi, Julie. Thanks for supporting us. I'm here at Real Guyana West Indian Fish Market. I've been here before. I featured the store, and I'm here today to see Vicky, the owner of the store. Hello, hi Vicky, how are you?
Good.
Remember me? Long time ago I featured your store. So, good. I know you're following up the channel, so you've been seeing the work I'm doing in Guyana.
That's good.
Yeah, thank you.
So do
Yeah.
good.
Thank you very much. I guess if you look back at one of the old videos we did, you will notice the things that you featured. Well, from then to now, you got a lot more items, right?
Yes, and I
Yes.
develop a little more better.
You developed a little more. Well, congratulations, because you did a really good job. When we came here, Vicky had just started, and there were just a few items on the front, and now you got lots of fresh coconut water, squash, tomatoes, breadfruit, butternut squash, cabbage, belange, karayla squash, and all these fresh produce. So, you know, when you visit the store, you know, you come and shop here,
Here
you,
in Guyana.
yeah, you won't miss Guyana at all, right? So these are all yours? Oh, okay. And you went over there too?
Over there too, but I got open there next month.
Oh, so you're expanding the business.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm so happy for you. You really did well. Yes, so Vicky is a big supporter of the Shabna Show. You said you watch it.
I watch it actually every day.
Okay.
I
You
go
catch
in
up
for
on the old ones.
CIC, yeah.
Yeah.
Because I see no new one, so I see, and you did a great job. I like what you do for the
Thank
the
you
low
so
class
much.
of people. I
Yeah.
mean the poorest of the people.
Yeah.
There were things, and you highlight everything is good
Yeah.
because that for sure who could help gonna help.
That's true.
You know?
And yeah, a lot of people,
Yeah.
they haven't forgotten where they came from.
Came from.
When they saw those videos, they were
Yes.
touched. They're
Of
they're
course.
touched.
But
the way
I
people
watch
have-
it, I know where I come from, you know.
Right.
I wasn't something like this.
Good, and
I
you
was-
really grew, and I'm happy for you.
I used to sell fish when I was a little kid. I come out of school and started to sell fish and so, you know.
Yeah.
Me and my next brother. We have 5 brothers, 1 sister.
Okay.
But we work because then you can't afford to get where kids get now.
Well, that's true.
You know,
right?
so we struggle and we come here and we develop ourselves. We make ourselves, you know.
Well, that's great. That's
Yeah.
great.
So that is
Yes.
it. So when I look at certain things, it touched me.
Yeah.
Touched me that for now, you know.
Yeah.
This is what me used to go through in life.
Yeah.
You know, we family used to go through like this, and now people still get the same hard friendship, you know. From
yeah.
people. But it's not one place, not only Guyana.
Oh.
Right through the world, it's same thing, you know.
So guys, Vicky actually wanted to see me to give a donation. He didn't want to do it on camera, so I just want to say thank you on behalf of the people of Guyana. And yeah, I'm sure we're gonna reach a lot of people with this. Thank you so much for thinking about them, right? Yes. And supporting the Sharpness show as well. Thank you. People like you reach out to the people back home because of what they're going through, and it's really nice of you to do that because I mean you're out of that
I want to do
situation
it a
now.
long time, so I'm not seeing nobody to give it.
Yes.
You know, so when I saw your sister, she told me, and I said yes.
Oh well, that's so
I
kind
want
of
to
you.
reach.
Thank you, thank you. I
But
really
anytime you
appreciate
come in, you must check me out.
it. Oh, okay.
I gonna all time do that.
Yeah. Thank you. I
Right?
will. That's so nice
Okay.
of you.
Thank you.
So Vicky wants to show us again what he has in the store. So
Everything like this.
he has the soursop.
Guyanese chips,
Yeah.
the cassava chips, the plantain.
Yeah.
You get a chicken foot too.
Right. Oh, this looks
Something
delicious.
just like Guyana.
Yeah. Uh huh.
It's a Guyanese mix, so
Yeah. 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 Right.
that's good. The
Uh-huh.
Solaro.
Yeah.
We have the Trinidad plum.
Mhm.
That's what you see here. They call it governor plum.
Okay.
And we get a Stirapo.
Oh, nice.
You know?
Mhm. Very good.
And this is the Sapodilla.
Wow. These are big.
And we get a pink guava here too. The Guyana guava, the pink one.
Pink guava.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Coconut water.
Uh-huh.
The frozen. The
And you have-
pomeroon.
Pomerode coconut water. Oh, okay.
There's a lot of Guyana stuff that but the Guyanese likes.
Oh yeah.
Like this is the cane juice, the pure cane juice.
Wow.
And we got the chicken and chips,
Oh
the
yes.
Bigfoot, the
They feel right at home in
Yeah.
your store, right?
and then some in this here. We got the black eye.
Yeah.
We got a pickle too.
Oh wow. Oh, this is interesting.
This is the gooseberry and this is the mango.
Oh.
We have the cheese ball.
Oh, okay, okay.
This is what people fighting for.
Right.
Most
You
of
know what they
Guyanese
need,
like.
right? And guys, look
This
at
is
this.
the Barbie shrimps.
Barbie's black
Yeah,
shrimp.
Black shrimp.
Okay.
Maize croquette and so the white belly shrimp.
Mm-hmm.
You got the fine bango, the big bango.
Okay. Wow.
With the butterfish, the nice butterfish.
Yeah, these look good.
We get fresh snappers here. And the snapper is $5.99 a pound.
Okay.
Part of cheaper than you use.
Right. Okay. Look who's here. That's the guy. Okay.
Good party, make the move, you know what I mean? What's up, Shabna? How are you?
Good, doing good.
Good. Nice to run into you.
Yeah, same here.
Same here.
Yeah. We always see each other on the videos and
I
everything.
know, but we never get to reach
Reach
up
in
each
person.
other.
Yes, yes.
This is our first time we reach up in
That's
person.
true, yeah. We heard JFK. We're back
Wow.
to Guyana.
Anyway,
so-
guys, I'm Taz the guy from Taz the Guy YouTube. You know,
Yes,
the Hassa Man. They call me the Hassa Man.
make sure you check out his channel. He does some amazing videos.
And that is Taz the guy. All right, check me out, Taz the guy.
Yeah.
And big up to Shabna. Always big up. And all the YouTuber, Andre, MD, you know, my Jamaican brother. You know, be good. Thumbs up for you guys, man. And let's roll and let's promote and showcase Guyana to the best of our knowledge.
Definitely. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Shabna.
Okay.
No problem.
Bye.
Take care.
After we cross the Bronx River, we'll be transported to Asia as if by magic. We'll visit animals from China to India, Cambodia to Nepal, and more. For your safety, please remain seated at all times with your hands and feet inside the car. I'll point out animals as we approach them, but I will need your help. And if you look straight in front of you, those deer very far to the back fence, that is our Barashinga deer, like color. That's what we call it. If you don't know our Barashinga deer, they get their name from the male antlers. The word Barashinga means 12 teeth in the Hindi language. Barashinga deer will be on the lookout for our next animal. They might be off the hill or they might be in the center. Let's find out. And one of them to the center, these are our Mongolian wild horses. Looking right to your back, right?
Wow.
You might see a couple of them. And folks, if you look very carefully and use your observation skills, you might even spot a baby horse. If you look to the center, folks, there's our Gower right there. They're all huddled up. So like as of yesterday, when it was 90 degrees, a lot of them were in the mud pool. If you do not know, folks,
Bye, Kelly.
in front of us is our Asian elephant, which is the largest of the wall of the Asian elephant. Sorry. The elephant we have on today is Patty. Patty's over 50 years old, folks. Everyone say hi, Patty.
Hi, Patty.
If you look straight in front of you, that is Patty's elephant-sized back scratcher to scratch her back. Our elephants here at the Bronx will weigh about 10,000 pounds. So they eat a lot of vegetation. That includes 200 pounds of hay each day and also 16 gallons of water each day. If you don't know, folks, if you look at Patty's trunk, she also has 40,000 muscles in just her elephant trunk, which can be used to tear off an enormous tree branch or gently pick up a blade of grass. Here at the Bronx Zoo, our elephants get a lot of personal attention, and that includes manicures and baths. Yes.
Pose it for the camera. I have done a video here to highlight the plight of this gentleman, Mr. Jones, who we call Jonesy. He's living in a dilapidated house with his 9-year-old adopted daughter. I guess you guys can remember the video I did with him, and it got a lot of response. And some people donated cash, and the Worship Center of Queens in New York, they did some repairs to his house because he was afraid it was going to fall. So I'm very happy for what they have done, and so I'm going to show you Mr. Jones, and you're going to tell us how you feel about this.
Yes, I feel much better. I feel much better now because the house been leaned so much, and they do whatever they do, and thank them for what the Christian people do for me. And thank them so much for that, and the boys them do in the water, in the rain, they do the work, and with me also, and with the next gentleman, and we fix it up very nice.
Apart from that, there were some other people who brought gifts for her.
Yeah.
That's Shelly and David from Canada.
They do the stuff, and they come, and thank them so much that he come, and I thank them so much for that. That's
Yes.
what it did to me.
Yes, they contacted me and they wanted
Yeah.
to help Ariana.
Yeah.
And when they came in the country, I wasn't here, but they
Yeah,
brought
yes,
gifts for
yes,
her and for
yeah.
you also.
Yeah.
And I think they also contributed to the repairs.
Yes,
And
yes.
at least you feel more comfortable now.
Yeah.
You don't have to be afraid that
No,
the
no,
strong
no.
wind from the water side would blow the house down now, right?
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
I feel happy that the possums, they're up now, and the beam across.
Okay, let's show them.
The
Let's show
beam
them.
across here and do noise,
Uh-huh.
and the post are then level,
Right.
and everything nicely now.
So they put the post right away around,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Around here.
and the steps in front.
Yeah, they repaired the stairs?
Yes, steps.
Okay, we're gonna show that. They put them all here. Good, they strengthened it for you actually,
Yeah,
right? This is really, really good.
yeah, they fix the step, and they fix the post and the bottom,
Okay.
and everything they level
All
up
right,
nice.
it's stronger now. You don't have
Yeah,
to be
yeah,
afraid.
yeah.
And also this back here, what is this? Your kitchen?
Yeah. There's a kitchen, there's a little veranda for the kitchen, for the receiver, to
Okay.
wash the wares and
Okay. This is the kind neighbor, Sabrina, who made this happen for Jonesy. She wanted to change his life and the life of Ariana because she's a young girl and she didn't want her to grow up in a situation like that. And they got the monetary help and the gifts, the repair of this house, all of this because of Sabrina. Now I want to say because of the Shabna show, because without Sabrina I wouldn't have known about it, right?
No.
To highlight it on my channel.
No.
Yeah, so how you feel about it, Sabrina?
I feel so happy for her because she got a comfortable home.
Yes,
And
also
she,
Jones.
Mr. Jones have a nice home now for the two of them.
Yeah.
And it's so nice of them. I'm so thankful for every help that Jonesy have.
Yeah, I'm thankful too, and I'm thankful to you for bringing up this issue for us to highlight, right?
Yeah. And so thank you also for you because without you we didn't get this done.
Well, yeah, you're welcome, and it was my pleasure because this is my mission to change lives, right? We do that one family at a time. So there are more people out there who need help, and we're gonna see how we can do it, right? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and remember to hit that notification bell so you wouldn't miss another video. I promise I'll bring you some more interesting videos. Until then, I'll see you in my next video.